Watch the Life of Daniel here in Lugogo somewhere, Lugogo bypass that you hear about. It's night time, it's about 8 p.m. and I'm trying to pass through Lugogo. I was picking my vest and bag for the Rotary Council run from Centenary Bank in Forest Mall in Lugogo. And right now I'm going back, but this is the beautiful night view of Lugogo bypass. You can see the place is very busy. People are making money, rides are like rides, but I'm scared of thieves. They can easily grab my phone, but it's in my brain. We have guys who pretend that they ride borders, but they are properly thieves. They snatch people's phones. So when you're vlogging here, you have to be careful of them. And it's in my brain. I'm doing it while I'm aware they can easily do anything. So anybody who passes near me, I'm easily suspicious. Let's get it. So I have just bypassed Lugogo bypass a little bit, and I am walking on the streets of Kampala. This route is now heading from Lugogo bypass up to Chireka, where I'm heading to. And it's such a busy place at night and all day long. Let me say 24 hours this place is busy. There is no time that you find this place not busy. Kampala is like that. Anyway, enjoying vlogging at night, but I'm scared of thieves. They're here, they're waiting for me, they want me, but I am trying to bypass their knowledge and do what I can do. Let me get them.